So today I'll be showing you how to add a Samsung account to your Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you do need a Samsung account for things like the Galaxy Store, for the Themes app and stuff like that. So to sign in, go to settings and then go to sign in to your Galaxy at the top there. And then you can choose whether you want to sign in with your Google account, which basically will link your Google account to Samsung account, or an email or phone number, or you can sign in with a QR code. So I'm just going to choose email and phone number and then just log in normally. Okay, so I'm going to put in my Samsung account username and then tap on next. And then enter your password and then tap on sign in. And once you signed in, you can choose to agree to terms and conditions and Samsung account privacy notice and more. Just I can agree to everything and then just proceed. It may ask for you to verify. So just go ahead and do that. And you should get signed in successfully. Thanks for watching and good luck. Now all the services that need a Samsung account will have the Samsung account signed in.